I would say we were good together. I would say we had fun, but our trails will never run forever. Yeah. Something else is on your mind, like everything.
Hi guys, welcome to the first day of the vlog. If you are new here, Lina Lagake Mpo Mlambo, and if you are a returning subscriber at day one, thank you so much for coming back. Thank you so much for your continuous support. I really do appreciate it. Guys, today is a Monday and I am shooting the intro to a vlog that has no direction. I actually want to take you guys to work. I want to go with you guys at work, show you guys where we work, how we work, who we work with, and I hope you guys are going to enjoy it. Today it's a bit coldish. I thought but maru atibile and stuff, so that's why let me quickly finish to wear my uniform and I'm gonna come back to you guys just now. Guys, I am done. Let me quickly show you guys what I am wearing to work. This is my work uniform. I'm just wearing the maroon scrubs and this Nike sneakers, and then the jacket from work. It's just written Department of Health here, and because nice. This is how I usually show up at work. I just wanted to show you guys. And guys, when I have the mirror on that corner where it usually stays, the lighting is bad, and the ring light and what I just decided to put it in front of the window so you guys can see. Let us go to work with me today. Of the day, I'm gonna wear this Latafa what it's what is it? Oh, feather Latafa. Smells so nice, you guys. It smells, it's giving, especially it pops.
How I choose to live my life, cause I told you when we started, instead of just complaining, you could try to treat me right, but you gotta get out your head. Breathe in, breathe out, let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie, I swear I'll try to give you my everything. Save yourself. Save yourself. I don't wanna be crazy no more. Every time I question what my future has in store, I get to panicking, anxiety, can't live here no more. No more, no more, no more. 'Cause I'll convince myself that I don't want what I really want. I've lived it before. It starts. Call it protecting my heart. Her disguise as strength, but self-sabotage my love. Hey. Self-sabotage my love. The root of my own pain. No one's coming. Save your baby girl. Hey, you got to save yourself. No one's coming. Save your baby girl. Hey, yeah, you got to save yourself. Save yourself.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Nah, I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. But baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you. Baby, it's you. Whatever, and I would never hear. You've been flexing everywhere. Girl, look in the mirror. Man, you're so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy. Lately, it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. But baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you. Baby, it's you. If I control the weather, then every day would rain on your parade. Shine, you can't chase, yeah. If I was Father Time, then I would change the day. So I never saw your face. Hey, please, what do I have to do to make you go? Oh, baby, it's you.
Lately, my thoughts got me distant. Darker days filling up darker minds. Stuck in this room that keeps spinning, wondering how you been, where you hide. Late night drinking, wishful thinking. What if you were here? Morning waking, heart still aching. Something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night. I don't wanna put up a fight. I don't wanna trouble you, babe, but I gotta say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally got made up my mind. Can't go one more day without you. I would say we were good together. I would say we had fun, but our trails will never run forever. Something else is on your mind, like everything that's good in life always come to an end. We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend. And I know that it's over. Got the look on your face.
Hi guys, welcome to another day of the vlog. Welcome to the actual last day of the vlog. This is where the vlog is going to end. There was really not much happening in this vlog, you guys. It was just me taking you guys with to work, showing you guys, and I really wanted to show my colleagues, but I felt like on some other vlog. So I came home. It's now 3 o'clock. I just got home and changed, and then we are going to cook for my man. I'm gonna cook with you guys for my man. I'm going to be making mincemeat, the rice, mashed potatoes, and some green salad on the side. And yes guys, and rice it's one rice ya pewa ka pizza e banyana baka rice le phaletšhe ka pizza e phatsimang wa ba. I feel like it's not shining the way my mom or my grandmother would have wanted it to shine. It's still fine, you know. Happy that is school in most of us school, monthly is school in Cambonat. Dijo tsa teng di nna monate ko re ba pele matsika ba pele ka di brown onion like had you utlwale. So we're gonna do that. Let me stop balabaring a lot. Ke tlo go balabala ra apeye. And yeah guys, let us do that.
It's too hard to explain, but the words is the pain when you pronounce my name and you say Gloria, please don't cry for me. Oh, Gloria, please don't cry for me. Yeah. I can hurt you like you hurt me. Then we make love when we are would say we were good together. I would say we had fun, but our trails would never run forever. Something else is on your mind, like everything that's good in life always comes to an end. We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend. And I know that it's enough. Got the look on your face. It's too hard.
Would you pray on my weakness? Satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I'll get you out, 'cause I just don't know.
Guys, I have finished chopping the onions, and here we have the robot, the yellow pepper. I don't know if you guys can see the red. We have the red pepper, the yellow pepper, and the green pepper. And here's our mince, and then we are going to put it on the stove.
Yellow, you had to let me go. Yellow, it hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Don't misbehave. You must have known me. You make me crazy, kinda like Johnny. Don't sit down, better, making me lose my mind, 'cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something else me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow. It hurts like yellow. You had to let me go. Yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Ooh, you got me feeling cool. Ooh, you got me feeling blue. Something about you so see-through. Something just ain't right by you. Yeah. Can I do you like I? You like I? Can I do you like I? Yellow. It hurts like yellow. You had to let me go. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. No one knew you like I do. Wonder why you want me by your side, like all the time. You want my love all night, telling me lies. Maybe stop telling me lies.
You know the type, you know the guy. As soon as you're close to erase all the lies, get him out your mind. That's when he finds you. Don't take it as a sign. You know he's lying, saying that he wants to be mine. Like we could be fine. Yeah, somehow he finds you. That's his trick. Say his name 3 times in a mirror and watch your self-respect just disappear overnight. Thinking he's slick, putting in just enough words to make you think he deserves some of your time. Oh my.
We are done. Here is the rice, and then kamo we have the mashed potato, and let me quickly show you the mince and the salad. Here's the mince. It's a lot on the container, and here is the green salad. Sorry about that. This is just a power bank for my phone. Here's the green salad. I forgot to buy cheddar cheese. I'm gonna order it on Pick and Pay ASAP. And yeah, guys, that's just it. We have reached the end of the vlog, and you guys, thank you so much to each and every one of you guys for taking their precious time out of their busy schedule to support the girl. Ke leboga thata fela, ke leboga go menagane. And for 330 subscribers, thank you so much. Yo guys, to think, when I started this vlog, I never thought I would be able to reach such a number of subscribers. And look at God. God was like, baby girl, start the channel and I got you. So batong for that, I really do appreciate it. Ke leboga thata. I don't know gore nka le leboga yang. And when we will be reaching 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna do a giveaway. I promise we're gonna have a giveaway for that. If you have watched my video till this far, ke a leboga my doll, I appreciate it. And guys, the WhatsApp group is still there, the WhatsApp group that I created, and that's just a group where we are helping each other grow our channels. We just share our thumbnails and we post on all our social media platforms. I will put the link on the description box if you feel like you want it. It's gonna be there. So yeah guys, see you again, same time, same place next week, Thursday. Bye.